Pontoon floor plans. Which one is right for you? We're gonna find that out in today's video. First up, we've got the center walkthrough floor plan. That's when there's a straight alleyway from north to south on your boat with symmetrical loungers in all four corners. So you have maximized accessibility throughout the entire boat with lots of seating. With the seating being symmetrical in the bow and the back of the boat, I can swivel the captain's chair around to face my passengers sitting at the back and sitting at the front. I have total ease of access to both sides of the boat. What some boat owners love about the center walkthrough floor plan is it does a really good job at closing off the entire cockpit for pets and small kids. It's a really good way to keep your entire family safe. Next up, we have lounger floor plans. That's when you have two symmetrical seats in the front of the boat, along with a couch-like lounge in the back of the boat, often with multiple different seating positions. What people love about the lounger floor plans is the on-water comfort. Do you like to sit out on the boat, take in a sunset, sit at the sandbar, watch your family swim off the back of the boat? This is a perfect spot for it. And instead of going back to the cottage for your afternoon nap, you can take it right here on your boat. Next up, we have the entertainer floor plan. This usually has a fixed bar with bar stools and bar seating, so you can enjoy company out on the water with snacks, drinks, and entertainment. This boat's great for those that want to pack a boat full of people, do raft ups with other boaters, hit the sandbar, or just be a part of the general boating community. This boat's for you. Now that's just 3 of the most popular pontoon floor plans. There are many other floor plans that are available that cater to specific wants and needs on the water. If you have any questions about what floor plan might be right for you, feel free to reach out to us anytime.